Yes, see children, today we are discussing about one of the model of this circuit. See, we find in this circuit what is the equivalent resistance of the across A and B. A and B. So in A and B we have so many resistance are connecting here, which is like that. So what we have to need first of all, how they are connecting, it is in series or it is in parallel, what we have to do like this. See here in this circuit A, B, C and D. So from first of all we go for A to B. So A to B means A to C and C to B and B to D and D to A. This is the circuit. So but we have to need A, B across the circuit. A, B. So A, B in this circuit, what we need? Let us see. First we have to draw this circuit diagram. So how we will to draw this circuit diagram means, see, let's see. Once I draw it, you have to keep like these points. So this is the resistance. There's one more resistance, and see, this is the resistance, and see, this is the resistance. So this part I draw it. Okay, now we have to add this resistance, this resistance, this resistance, this resistance. So these resistance are in across this parallel resistance. So we have to keep like this. Just simple. Then you have to draw it. So now this is A and this is B, this is C and this is D. So this is R1, R2, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8. So all are equivalent resistance. That means R1 is equals to R2 is equals to R3 is equals to R4 is equals to R5 is equals to R6 is equals to R7 is equals to R8 is equals to 2 ohms. Here in the given circuit, all resistors have equal resistance. All resistors have equal resistance. That means 2 ohms. That is 2 ohms. So first of all, see, the R1, R2 are parallel and R3, R4 are parallel. So R4, R5, R6 are parallel and R7, R8 are parallel. So R1, R2 parallel, R3, R4 parallel, R5, R6 parallel, R7, R8 parallel. So first we have to need from A to B. In given circuit, from A to B, R1 and R2 are in parallel resistance, parallel combination, parallel connection. Therefore, A to C, RAC is equals to, so we know the formula in parallel connection, R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, since 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Therefore R1 R2 means 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4 by 4, that is equals to 1 ohm. So the total resistance of these circuits, is how much? 1 ohm. 1 ohm. So because of this in parallel. So again this also parallel and this also 1 ohm, and again this also parallel, this also 1 ohm, and again this also parallel, so it is also 1 ohm. Similarly, R CB, see here CB. So similarly RCB or RBC, RBC is equals to 1 ohm, and RBD is equals to 1 ohm, and next RAD is equals to 1 ohm. So what is the new circuit diagram? What is the new circuit diagram? See, if it is all these things, these two circuits have these two resistance have one resistance, that is 1 ohm, and these two resistance have 1 ohm, that is also 1 ohm, and these two resistance also one resistance 1 ohm, and these resistance are have continuous as 1 ohm. So we have to give for the circuit diagram is, see, in RBC R3 R4 are parallel, so 1 ohm. In RBD R5 R6 are parallel, 1 ohm, and RAD R7 R8 are parallel and 1 ohm. So then the circuit becomes, see here, from A to C means from RAC is 1 ohm, and B to C, so it means C to B, that is 1 ohm, and B to D, that is 1 ohm, and D to A, that means AD means 1 ohm. So for this circuit comes, these are in series and these are in series. That means from A to B, so one side of ACB is series and ADB is here. Here ACB are in series and ADB are in series. Then RAC and RBC are in series. Therefore RACB is equals to RAC plus RBC, that is equals to 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2 ohms. And then RAD and RBD are in series. Therefore RADB is equals to RAD plus RBD, that is equals to 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2 ohms. So then circuit becomes like this. This is 2 ohms and this is 2 ohms. Now these 2 ohms are in parallel. So this is a simplification of the entire circuit diagram. See, once again I will tell you. See here, these two resistance are parallel, these two resistance are parallel, these two resistance are parallel, these two resistance parallel. So it will come single resistance, single resistance, single resistance, single resistance. The equivalent resistance of the two parallel is 1 ohms. Am I right? So similarly we can get it here in this circuit, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm. So E1 ohm, E1 ohm, these are in series. Then we will get 1 plus 1, how much? 2 ohms. This 1 ohm, this 1 ohm in series. Then we will get how much? 2 ohms. So that's why I will draw this type of diagram. So 2 ohms, 2 ohms. So simplification of the circuit diagram is very simple. Clear? So that's why we have to go for the equivalent resistance of A to B is 2 ohms, 2 ohms are in parallel. So now we will get the calculation. So the equivalent resistance of A and B is RAB is equals to RACB into RADB by RACB plus RADB. That means 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4 by 4, that is equals to 1 ohm. Therefore the equivalent resistance of A and B is 1 ohm. Clear?